Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work. We had to replace the three-way cylinder valve as this was preventing water flow coming out into the group head and the hot water and steam. And because it was preventing water flow, the steam was reinforced very badly, so we had to replace both the water pump and the three-way cylinder valve assembly. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to test it out. Hopefully I pick up this. Let me turn it on. Hopefully I pick up the right consistency of this machine. Otherwise we're going to see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Now let's wait for the machine to get to temperature, which should not take that long. Then we can do our double shot as well as use the hot water and then the steam. And we're also going to be using the grinder. Okay, as you can see, grinder light is working, and now the machine is in temperature. A little bit of channeling right there, but as you can see now it's starting to get pressurized and we're in the pressure range, having good crema coming out of the machine. And tap it manually right here. As you can see, nice shot of espresso, water flowing from the group head, nice and pretty. Hot water, as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working perfectly fine, no buzzing noise. And the steamer, it's gonna take a little bit for the thermoblock to get to temperature, but once it gets to temperature, the water pump will start pulsating and we're gonna see steam coming out through the one. Now the water pump is pulsating, the thermometer will start to raise in temperature and we can see steam now coming out of the machine, as you can see right now. And really good pressure, excellent temperature as well, working perfectly fine. And the grinder, of course, works great. And there you have it, Barista Express working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.